If you've been following our stranded astronauts, Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams, things have not gotten better. While Boeing and NASA have remained pretty tight-lipped, information is coming out. Apparently, the Starliner not only had trouble docking, but also had issues with the thrusters overheating, potentially due to a helium leak. While it was originally thought there was only one leak, several more have been found, and this creates a great danger to returning on the Boeing Starliner. The Starliner needs to orient itself correctly upon re-entry. If it can't, then it could burn up. If you were hoping that SpaceX might be the solution, I'm not sure I would trust them over Boeing. There is a larger problem with contemporary space travel. The equipment used is the cheapest they can acquire, and they hire the cheapest contractors, yet space travel remains increasingly expensive. As a result, poor equipment ends up going up, and SpaceX lost 20 satellites this last week. While they're not reporting exactly what happened, it appears to be a problem when approaching lower Earth orbit. They may not have approached it in the correct angle, which was the burning up problem I mentioned earlier. Presently, there are 12 humans in space, including our 2 stranded astronauts, most of which are on the ISS. While it hasn't been explicitly mentioned, the fact that we have both Russian cosmonauts, Japanese astronauts, as well as our American astronauts, and even a SpaceX employee, that means there should be plenty of modules up there so that they can leave. However, utilizing a different company's modules could end up stranding those astronauts, and it might be somewhat of an international incident if they use an emergency Soyuz, that is, the Russian return capsules. For now, many of us are watching with bated breath to see the safe return of our astronauts.